This video I'll be showing how to create a folder on your Windows laptop. If you have been wanting to learn how to create a folder on your Windows PC, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational content like this. Now the very first thing you need to do is to right click your mouse, right click your mouse. Once I've right clicked your mouse, you see this new option. Then you hold over to here, you press this folder, right? You click on this folder option. Then once I've clicked it, you will be able to create a new folder for yourself. So you can name this folder Crystal Hustle. Alright. So yeah, this is basically how to create a folder for yourself. So we'll do this once more. So what you need to do is right click your mouse, then you click the new option, then you click the folder, right? You can name this YouTube, right? So if you found this video helpful, ensure you watch lots of other videos on this channel, because there are lots of educational contents like this that will help you for good. See you guys in the next video.